So on this project, we're going to be doing kind of a mix of a couple different projects we've done before. We're going to take this old dresser and turn it into kind of a dresser entertainment center combo. We're going to take out a couple of the top drawers. The shelves don't even, or the drawer faces don't even match the rest of the drawers anyway, and we're going to turn that into a shelf and kind of update it and modernize it a little bit. So now we're just going to take everything apart, get it prepped to sand down and for paint and stain and all that. We're going to be staining the top, this little middle divider, and then the bottom, and then painting the rest. And then also taking apart these drawers areas to make the single long shelf. Now we're going to just do lots of sanding. We got to sand down all of the old stain where we're going to be restaining, so we don't have any mix of stains, anything like that. We're going to wood fill all the drawers, all the old holes. We're going to put new knobs on, new handles, and we're also going to wood fill in this one that has kind of this weird design. Doesn't really fit with our theme or how we're going to rebuild it, so I'm going to wood fill it in a couple layers, and so it should look flush just like the rest of them. Now the drawers are all ready to be painted, and also didn't get any recording of them painted, so now they're also all painted. And now we're going to be putting the new handles on. I kind of screwed up on the measuring somehow. I think I did put the wrong side in where I was supposed to put the other side of each handle, so they're all off center. So I had to go back and redo them all, but no big deal. I didn't record the shelf for some reason. It got deleted, but essentially all I did was took some I had this 1 by I think like 8-inch plank board, and I essentially just made a couple notches, cut them to length, and slid them back in there, and then took some nail guns and secured them into where the old drawers used to rest. I'm going to go through and condition all the wood, stain it, and then seal it, and that part should be done. I'm going to go through and wife's going to paint everything left that needs to be painted. No assembly video, but there really wasn't much to it other than just putting the drawers back in. So here's the finished dresser entertainment center combo. Right now in kind of a temporary spot. But overall, liked how it turned out. Should be able to get some good use, and pretty functional, and kind of matches with everything else we've done. So overall, like it.